Want to grow big, juicy, and delicious tomatoes without breaking a sweat? Well, buckle up because today, I'm spilling 10 genius tomato growing hacks that will take your garden from me to wow! Let's get growing. Tomato plants love calcium, and guess what? Your breakfast eggshells are packed with it. Simply crush and mix them into the soil to prevent blossom end rot. You know, that annoying black spot on the bottom of your tomatoes? No more of that nonsense. Before you toss that banana peel, wait. Bury it in your tomato bed to give your plants a natural potassium boost. More potassium means more flowers, more fruit, and tastier tomatoes. Got yellowing leaves? Your plants might need magnesium. Just mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt with a gallon of water and spray your tomato leaves once a month. Boom! Greener leaves, stronger plants, and bigger tomatoes. Here's a mind-blowing trick. Plant your tomatoes sideways. It sounds crazy, but burying most of the stem helps grow stronger roots, leading to healthier, more productive plants. This one's wild. Dissolve 1 aspirin in a gallon of water and spray your plants to boost their immune system. It tricks tomatoes into thinking they're under attack, making them grow stronger and more resistant to diseases. Hate bugs but love tomatoes? Companion planting is your best friend. Plant basil, marigolds, or garlic next to your tomatoes to keep pests away and boost flavor. Want to cut down on weeding and keep your plants happy? Mulch, mulch, mulch. Spread grass clippings or straw around your plants to retain moisture, block weeds, and regulate temperature. Tomatoes waste energy growing unnecessary shoots called suckers. Just pinch them off so your plant focuses all its energy on growing delicious, juicy tomatoes instead. Want your tomatoes to grow faster? Use red plastic mulch. Research shows it reflects light in a way that tells tomato plants, hey, hurry up and grow! Watering a little every day? Stop right there. Tomatoes need deep roots. Water deeply once or twice a week instead of a little every day and watch them thrive. And there you have it. 10 genius hacks to grow the best tomatoes ever. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing gardening tips.